Yeah, good evening to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can record your screen on this OBS Studio. See, many comments I received like we successfully installed OBS here and there is a desktop icon also here, something like that. But we are unable to recording the screen. And right now, this particular video, I am recording through the OBS Studio only. One setting you need to do is before clicking the start recording option here, what you need to do is here you need to click on this plus symbol or add symbol. So once you click on this plus symbol, it will ask you for which source does it want to record for you. So I want my display, means my laptop display or the computer display to be captured. So you need to choose this option, display. Okay, and it will ask you to enter the name for that. Okay, display capture 2 is fine. Click on OK. And the display ratio, my computer screen resolution is 1920 by 1080 pixels. So this is okay for me. And if I click on OK, then when you click on start recording, your whole screen will start get recorded. So even with the mic, there is no extra settings for the audio to be recorded. As soon as you click on start recording, this is the audio. See here, if you want to mute it, you can click on this mute here so that your audio won't be recorded. And as soon as you click on start recording, everything which you do on the screen gets recording. So if you do have any other questions regarding OBS Studio, please do ask in the comments. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.